and he's so hungry, so he wants shark to take one teeth, one pickle, one slice of teeth, one piece of salami, one lollipop, one cake, one cupcake, and he had the two leaves. Nice. Because he was not a caterpillar, more a big fat caterpillar, and he went in his hole into a butterfly. It's gonna get away.
That was very good.